this is the front of the smoker. It's the big picture. It's, as you can see, mainly made of cinder blocks. It's got a steel door, the frame that I screwed into the cinder blocks, and it's sealed with silicone around the frame. And all this junk on top is basically just to weigh down the plywood insulation underneath that. There is a thin piece of sheet metal to cover the smoking chamber. And then back here, this is an offset smoker, meaning the fire is not underneath the chamber, it's behind it. This smoking chamber is made from bricks. You can see maybe right there. And then I put masonry cement to insulate it around the side. And the top is a sheet of 1/4-inch mild steel with a hinge door that is made of 1/8-inch plate steel. So now I'm going to open up the smoking chamber and I'll show you what it looks like in there. Okay, sorry I said smoking chamber, it's actually the firebox. See the wood on top there drying, it's pretty hot on top. And I open up the firebox and you can see I've got a little hickory fire going inside. And you probably can't see it, but there are 2 4-inch steel tubes that go through the cinder blocks into the smoking chamber. Okay, so here's a wider shot where you can see the firebox with the door now closed. And then the smoking chamber offset from the firebox. And also I should not neglect the chimney, which is also some steel chimney pipe that I kind of necked down with some hose clamps so I get the right size. And as I said, I've got some beef ribs in there. I'm not going to open it up because that'll mess up the cooking of the meat. Don't want to open it up till they're done. Right now, just a little more on my setup. Got a pretty decent supply of hickory. Got from a local farm. I also got some ash and some sugar maple back there in the back row. And then I'd take those logs, cut them in half with the chainsaw on that block, and put them on top of the smoker, which is back here, to dry. See, those cinder blocks get good and warm, and it dries out the wood, which is fairly wet today because of the rain we've had. All right, so that's the smoker. Maybe I'll add a shot of the ribs when they come out.